hope you're having a Fandabbydozy day. We have just arrived in London on a really sunny day. Showing you a bit where there's no sun. And we are off to Harrods. There's a lion looking out the window. We're off to Harrods to return Miss Sequin Prada and see what else is about. So we're going to take you along for the ride. We might even get some food. So we made it to Harrods and we're going to go in. It's so sunny, I don't want to take my sunnies off. I'm going to have to when we go in. Right, let's do this. That looks absolutely ridiculous, doesn't it? Mac and cheese.
That's super pretty, that one. I do
That is very
really like that one. I like this one as well. It's quite playful.
Hello, you gorgeous people of the interwebs. So I completely failed to film an outro for the vlog yesterday. I thought about doing it on the train, but it was quite busy and there were a few people who looked like they might be tempted to shout "Oi!" or something as soon as they realised I was talking into my phone. I wanted to share with you, and I didn't want it to be an elongated tease like you'd have to wait another week, because I did buy something in Harrods yesterday. I did. It is not what I thought I was going to buy, but I'll do a little bit of a story time about what went down in Harrods, because frankly I was having too much fun actually playing with all the goodies to film all the goodies. But the first stop was Prada to return the sequin bag, which went very smoothly, very smoothly. The manager there, Marco, sorted it all out really quickly. He was brilliant, and we had a look around. There was the cutest little bag charm, which I'm now thinking I should have bought. It was a little nylon pouch, and he looked like a little robot. And he was so cute, but he was £480. And, sorry, I'm just leaning on the sofa here, being very super cad, just chatting with you. Right opposite Prada was the Fendi concession, so we went straight in there, had a play around with the baguettes, had a look at some of the new sequin stuff that had just launched. Oh my god, that baguette Napa leather, it's delicious, so delicious. So I tried on a few of those, tried on with a guitar strap, and we mooched on off and had a look at Gucci. I looked at Loewe for the first time ever. Puzzle bag, I've always thought it looked a little bit faffy, getting in and out. Kind of like the size of it, I like the shape of it, I like the fact that it's a different design, I like that it's asymmetric. There are lots of things I like about it, but the thing that I could see would potentially annoy me was getting in and out of it. So I was looking at the small, they've got a tiny little micro one, which is just absolutely my problem with the puzzle bag is it doesn't come in very exciting colours. They're all quite muted, neutral tones, but the puzzle bag does now appeal to me. So that's something that has been a bit of a revelation. We also went and had a look at Hermes. I had a Birkin, Constance, Kelly, a couple of those bag picketing up on the shelf there. All of them said display only. Mostly it was just scarves and belts. They had a really large space in Harrods and it was quite busy, but there wasn't a huge amount to get excited about. We also went to it was really tiny little Bulgari stand for their bags. Had a look at a couple of those. They were beautiful. That snake's head with the enamel, and one of the ones I looked at had black onyx eyes, just beautiful. We saw Alexander McQueen and we got chatting there. I tried on a few jewellery pieces and we had a look at a few bags. But really, that was the point where we were very hungry. So we had to go and grab something to eat. You'll have seen it in the footage. It was called The Social or something. It's downstairs in the basement. And I think that's where Sophie Shohair and her husband go. Oh my God. The food was just phenomenal, luxurious. Like, I have never had a mac and cheese like that before, and mac and cheese has now officially been ruined for me. I can only ever eat that one. I can only ever have my mac and cheese from Harrods now. We were a little bit angry that we've never been there before because the food was just utterly amazing. It wasn't cheap, but it was fantastic. I'm really glad we ate there. We also went and had a look at Bottega Veneta because, you know, I was really kind of like, oh yeah, I want to look at the pouch, I want to look at the card holder. And we did get to see one of the card holders, one of the 3 slots on either side. So 6-slot card holder with a little bit of the woven intrecciato. The biggest selling point was that middle slot, and when hubby was playing with it and he was looking at it before I did, he put his finger in it and that slot didn't go all the way down to the bottom. So for that reason, it was out. We looked at some Balenciaga. We skipped Saint Laurent. We saw it and we could see what was out, and it was all kind of the same stuff that we've looked at before. So we skipped that, and then we kind of went back to Fendi. And this is where I can share with you what I did actually buy. Although the lion is very upset with me because I tried a lot on. I tried a lot of combinations on. The mini baguette and the regular size baguette in the hot pink and in the black, and he was going to buy a guitar strap to go with it. Ellie was really patient while I was trying things on, getting different straps out for me. When the lion was like, so which one are you going to get? She said, I don't think you should get either of them. She said, I don't think you're 100% on either of them, and I want you to be 100% before you buy anything, which was wonderful. But there was something I was 100% on. The Fendi experience, it's not a journey, the Fendi experience has begun. Look at how cute this bag is. My first Fendi bag, my first Fendi shopping bag. And in it is this little box here, which is upside down. And when you check it, that goes all the way to the bottom there. So perfect for slotting some cash notes in. And this is in the same leather as the baguette, that beautiful Napa leather. Now it's a little bit stiffer in this card holder because it's a card holder. It's smaller and it's more constructed. I am really digging the Zucca prints, especially in the kind of raised. I'm actually just going to get my Gucci one so I can show you a comparison side by side of the actual size, because although this has the extra slot, it's not super massive in comparison. It's only a little bit shorter. Now the Gucci one does have cards in it, but it's also really quilted. Width-wise, it is pretty much exactly the same width. Oh, I'm so excited. In fact, I'm going to put my cards in it now. Okay, so I've got 3 cards down this side and 3 cards down this side. And this is the cash that I want to pop in there. That's the label. So I'm just going to have to be mindful that the label is sewn in there. And I hadn't folded my cash properly, but it's still, you can't see it poking out the top, but it's easy to grab hold of. I am absolutely delighted with this. I can't wait to use it. I can't wait to see it inside my bag. Just open my bag up and like, look at that beautiful Fendi. And see what the future holds with Fendi, because I was really impressed. Yeah, I had a look at the Fendi first as well. I always thought I would like the larger size in the Fendi first. Turns out I like the smaller size in the Fendi first. Who knew? So just getting into the store and being able to see a lot of these bags in real life was fantastic, because it kind of put things on my radar that weren't on my radar, and it took things off. as well, which is good because I can't have everything. So, and that is my cheeky little Harrods purchase reveal. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, such as it was. It wasn't a particularly long one. With the new contacts I've made at Harrods, maybe there will be an unboxing coming soon, because a couple of the client advisors I spoke to said, if you want anything, we can always ship it out to you, and that is fabulous service. And I am going to today send WhatsApp messages to all of them to say, hi, you were wonderful yesterday, I'm Gwenny, and you'll be hearing from me. Until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video. Please stay safe, stay Fandabbydozy, be kind to yourselves and be kind to others, stay Fandabbydozy again, and bye-bye!